What's up, everyone? It's Siege here. I got another video for you guys. It's a little bit different than the last couple videos I have. Like I said, I'm really trying to see what I'm gonna base this channel about. So I'm doing an unboxing because I bought one of the brand new GoPro Hero Blacks. So I'm just gonna open it up, set it up a little bit for you guys, and then show you how I like it. So look, they sent it UPS. It took them like 2 days, free 2-day shipping. I'm just feeling, I know the box looks like shit. I don't know why, but put it open. And got some protection right there. Got a little bit of a border receipt. Put that over to the side. And then so that's the GoPro in the box right there. Oh, and they give you a memory card. It's only 32 gigabytes though, but yeah, it's free. Some protective plastic on this. Check it out, boom, just like that. I know most people too, I've seen that they like to rip this whole thing down, but there's actually like this little safety tab right there that you just kind of pull off, and then you open it up like that. Tighten it. And the whole camera just slides out. Nice. You gotta unscrew this to take it off this mount. It's a little piece of plastic. It says remove, so I'm just gonna throw it away. And the camera pops right off of that. Bam. Got a turtle on the back too. Let me put that to the side for a second. Alright, this should have like the charger and everything else inside of it. Got some, let me turn it around for you guys. Got a manual. Just showing you some stuff. Questions. Ooh, stickers. I'm gonna use these. Oh no, this is the actual manual. It's to the side too. We got a charging cable. And we got 2 sticky mounts, one flat, one curved, well, no, one curved, one flat. And here's like the world's smallest battery. I don't know if that's the world's smallest battery, but it's pretty small. That's it. So this is a protective case around the camera itself. So you just gotta pop this off and do that. Take that out. It's a little tight in there, but yeah, this comes out. That's how small the camera is. Gotta put the battery in, so you gotta push this button, slide it out. Battery fits right in there. Memory card fits right in the top. GoPro logo goes towards the front. Slide that bitch in. So I got this open. I'm gonna put the memory card in there now too. Alright, there, never mind. I'll just rip it. The memory card, those little gold stripes go towards the front too. And it just slides right in there, right on the front of the battery. Don't have nails, so it took me a second. Slide that back on, make sure that clicks, so it's still like waterproof and whatnot. Gotta take this plastic covering off if I can find out how to do it. Okay, so my wife had to get the protective covering off because I don't have nails. So thank you, babe. So she got that off. Now it's just a regular black screen. Before I powered this on, I just wanted to show you guys. I showed you what this compartment was. This was for the battery and the SD card. So now this compartment on the other side here, when you open it, it's for HDMI and for your charging. So it's a USB-C. Close that up now. You got your power thing right there on the side. So hopefully it's got a little bit of charge to it. Yeah, it does have a little bit of charge. Wow, look at that. Show you guys a little bit around my kitchen. Oh, this is touch screen too. So select English, so check right up there. Legal stuff, I agree. Location, yeah. Okay, so now this is another part I'm gonna show you guys. So I gotta set it up on my phone here. I already downloaded the app, so I'm just gonna find it right here. Should be searching for the camera right now. Yep. Connect camera. Pair. Bing, bing. Now it's connected. Now it's just asking me for a name, so I'm gonna name it Kings. Hero Black. Done. Save new name. So let's go. Personalized data, never miss notifications, blase, blase, blase. So now the cool thing about having an iPhone, especially any Apple product like a tablet or whatever too, is that they connect really easily. So now you could use any footage I take or pictures I take on this, I could connect it easily to my phone. I could also use my phone as a remote. So that's all I wanted to show you guys for now. I'm gonna, play with this for a little bit and then show you guys a couple more. Show you guys an updated video in a couple days. So thank you guys for watching. Later.